Stop scrolling for a moment. Do you want to understand English more easily? And speak English with confidence. In this lesson you will listen to simple English sentences about daily life. Speak slowly with me and improve your English step by step.
Welcome to Learn Station. This lesson will help you practice English slowly. Listen carefully. Repeat after the sentence. Take your time. Learning a language is a journey. And every small step is important.
I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. The sun is shining outside. The sun is shining outside. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. The smell of coffee is wonderful. The smell of coffee is wonderful. I sit near the window. I sit near the window. The morning air feels fresh. The morning air feels fresh. It is a peaceful moment. It is a peaceful moment. After breakfast. After breakfast. I start my work. I start my work. Sometimes I read emails. Sometimes I read emails. Sometimes I write notes. Sometimes I write notes. Working calmly helps me focus. Working calmly helps me focus. A clear mind is very important. A clear mind is very important. In the afternoon. In the afternoon. I take a short walk. I take a short walk. Walking helps me relax. Walking helps me relax. The street is full of life. The street is full of life. People are talking. People are talking. Cars are passing by. Cars are passing by. The city feels alive. The city feels alive. Later in the evening. Later in the evening. I spend time learning new things. I spend time learning new things. Learning English is exciting. Learning English is exciting. Every day I learn a new word. Every day I learn a new word. Every day I improve a little. Every day I improve a little. Progress takes patience. Progress takes patience. At night. At night. I review what I learned today. I review what I learned today. Practice makes learning stronger. Practice makes learning stronger. Slow practice is powerful. Slow practice is powerful. Consistency brings results. Consistency brings results. Keep learning every day. Keep learning every day. Thank you for learning English with LearnStation. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to the channel and continue your English journey with us.